Good afternoon, everyone. Today is March 16, 2022. I am at Bayside. I'm going to be working on walking towards the south side of Northern Boulevard on Bell Boulevard. So that's where I'm heading on right now. Currently, I am on Northern Boulevard West, heading to Bell Boulevard. You see at the corner, that's Precinct 111. That's the police station for Bayside. Over here, there's Chicken Lovers and Deli. At the corner over here is the BMW of Bayside. That's where the BMW dealership is. They also have multiple locations to stock up the BMWs over at Great Neck and over at Douglaston. So here there's probably a confiscated car by the cops. It's in pretty bad shape. So you see over here, these are speed cameras. If you go over 25 miles an hour on the local streets, you will get a ticket. So this is the lot for the BMW dealership. Here's a NYPD police van. And here's the Queen's Library for Bayside. It's only one story, which is pretty small. Let me cross the street. So over here, this is where you can return your books. So at the corner here, that's the famous White Castle, right at the corner of Bell and Northern. One of the few White Castle locations left in Queens. So today, instead of heading north to Northern Boulevard towards the railroad station, I am actually going to go south for a few blocks. So that's the north side. That's a CVS, and over here is the south side. I'm going to walk down 2 to 3 blocks and then come back. So here is a bus, New York City bus, Q31 to Bayside. And across the street over here, it is Q Bar Restaurant. He is waving over here. It is Q Bar Restaurant. That's one of the few billiard places in Queens. And there's a Korean barbecue across the street. Over here on this side is Capital One. So if we continue walking further, there's only a few more, another 2 or 3 blocks left, for the business district south of Bell. And this, it's a fire alarm. It used to be functional back in the 80s, but I think they stopped using it now. Back in the days, I know kids would pull on this lever over here, and it'll signal to the police to the fire department to come over. But now it's just an ancient relic. And you don't see too many of these left nowadays because they've been all removed. And over here, if you're wondering what these are, These were installed at the curb for the visually disabled. So when people walk here, they can feel that they're at the curb. So here's a little strip of a business district. So we have yoga, martial arts, cabinets, a pawn shop, Tai Chi, Bong Chong. Bayside Dental. Here's Chia Mama's Noodle House. And over here is Mochi Nut. They were supposed to open at Little Neck location, but I guess opening in Bayside is a better option for them. So over here, I'm at O2K Barbecue. It's another Korean barbecue, all you can eat. Over here, this is a real estate company, United Realty Associates. We'll take a look to see the housing prices. Not too many. Oh look, there's a house here for $1.8 million. Sag Harbor. Plainview, $689. Let's see if there's anything in Bayside. Islip, $1.75 million. Oh, here's a house in Bayside. $1.4 million. One family, 7 bedrooms. So yeah, that's the housing market over here. It is very costly. And this is a new restaurant that just opened. It's called Happy Garden Bayside Restaurant. It is Cantonese style food. I have tried it once and the food here are really good.
Could you put your camera away?
Okay, you're good. Alright. So over here it's towards the end of the business district. Down here is a schoolyard and the kids are having recess right now. And here's a Italian restaurant. So I'm gonna run across the street. To this side now, and I'm gonna head back up to Northern Blvd. This is a nail salon. There's a barber shop. There's a pharmacy, and there's residential up there, probably rentals. There's another martial arts academy in the basement. So I have Fresh You here. Probably a juicing place. It's a wrap. There's a Chinese Korean restaurant up here. Oh, cross. And here is Coco, one of the bubble tea franchises. Now in Bayside, on the strip, there are at least 3 to 4 bubble tea stores. There's Kung Fu Tea, there's Coco. There's 2 other ones that I forgot what the names are. So here's a laundromat. It's Pho 32, a Vietnamese restaurant owned by Koreans. This one is another Korean barbecue. So I am going to end the video here. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you next time.